The second episode of Carpentry is Fun. We have Ronnie Savage, this guy, and Diamond Dave with Frank the Tank. Hey guys, say hi. Hey Frank, why don't you play poker in the jungle?
I don't know, why not?
Because there's too many cheetahs. Fancy trailer of the day. The back wall with some fake brick. Nice little master bathroom. Go check out the rest of the house. That's kind of cool. Nice little. Oh, wait for the refrigerator to go there. Usually that's like a laundry room. Nice little vent chute. Extra dining room area. And 2 bedrooms. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's see if Frank knows. Frank, what does women's clothes and nail polish have in common? They both come off with alcohol. Hey, Dave. What did one boob say to the other boob?
What's that?
If we don't get some support soon, we're gonna think we're nuts.
A few moments later.
Clap cheeks. Garbage disposal wasn't working. So far we found a makeup brush, Legos, and other stuff. Let's see what else kind of treasures they have. What we got? Filthy. Definitely some stuff in there. Damn it, it's a video.
The next day.
Well, I found something really cool. Check this guy out. Living the life. Built his own little home. Yeah, those are solar panels. I'm jealous. I can tell you that. I am super jealous. The carpentry is definitely fun. That's definitely a way of living. I love it. Hey, Frank.
Oh, yeah.
Are you in the Ligma, man?
What?
Are you in the Ligma?
Oh.
I'm licking my balls. David, why are we always waiting on your ass? Come on, Frank, tell us a joke. Got none of mine? You just looks. Come on, now do carpet bar, then you gotta cut the padding, and then you gotta roll it over. Come on, we've been over this 1,000 times, David. Well, that's episode 2 of Carpentry's Fun with Frank the Tank. Got a joke yet for us, Frank?
Jokes today, just arcade.
Ah, that hurts. Where's Diamond Dizzle? Diamond! Well, you know what? You don't get to say goodbye today. Whew. Oh, I found him. All right, Diamond Dizzle, that was the day of carpentry fun. This is the house we did. Did all sorts of stuff. There's some rooms back there. Bye, next time. Ew. Ugh. What's going on? Till next time.